Good morning, good morning, good morning everyone. This is your Chacha Michelle on Chacha Michelle's Nook channel. And the fact that you're watching me now, that means you have clicked my YouTube channel. So I welcome you all, old and new alike. Without further ado, let me proceed to the 3 easy quarantine recipes. Please bear with me. See you on the next page. Bye! Here are the ingredients of our Chayote recipe. We have chayote cubes, sliced onion, diced garlic, minced pork, some cubed shrimp, and some spring onions and dried chili. Salt, black pepper, and chicken broth are also needed. And on this part, the chayote is already almost ready to serve. And for the complete procedures, please refer to the description box below. Our next recipe is salmon and asparagus. The salmon is marinated with lemon juice, black pepper, salt, and mustard. We have to pan fry with regular cooking oil and some butter. Salmon is very quick to be cooked, so we have to look closely so as not to burn it. So once it's ready to flip on its side, let's add in the asparagus. Let's add some salt and black pepper on it and some butter if it's needed. Chararan! It's all done and it's ready to gobble! Last but not the least is the chicken, cucumber, and carrot salad. For more information about this recipe, please refer to the description box below. And we are all set for the lunchbox for quarantine. Yes, it looks so yummy. That ends our session today, mga kacheche, and thank you for bearing with me. Hope to see you soon again next time. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye! And advance Merry Christmas everyone! God bless, take care, stay safe.